everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking our very first spontaneous trip to Brussels. Live about an hour away, and we decided like at noon, let's just go to Brussels today. It's our very first time going there, and we are about 40 minutes away still. We made a quick trip to a gas station for a sandwich, and it was amazing. So we should be there soonish, and we'll kind of show you what we end up figuring out. We tried to quickly do some research about like parking and metros and all of that. Sounds like parking is either expensive or hard to come by in downtown Brussels, so we will see. So here we go. Driving and trying to find parking downtown was stressful. The roads were narrow, there was lots of traffic, it was busy, so we definitely recommend either finding somewhere a few minutes away that you can park. We parked about 10 minutes from the Grand Place and walked, or taking the public transportation. That just was not an option for us at this moment. So walking was totally fine, the kids did great, and we found parking on the street just a few blocks away.
So we're in Belgium. This is one of the first vlogs we've done. We're in the Grand Place of Brussels, and that's all real gold, by the way. I think, is it? Mm-hmm. It's up there. It's like 20 bajillion feet tall. So I'm sure that.
Okay. 20 bajillion feet tall, she says.
And you can pay to hike up there.
You can? Nice.
Mom, can I now film?
And that's all gold. As requested by my kids, here's a 360 of the entire Grand Place. It is beautiful. Definitely walk around and check it out. Next up was the Royal Gallery of Saint Hubert to check out the shopping and chocolate.
Macaron.
Squares and macarons and all the different shapes and flavors. We stopped here at Mary's Chocolates to have some of the chocolate. It was amazing. The vendor was very nice. He told us the whole history of the chocolate, and we bought a few pieces to try. Then he let me film the whole store, which was awesome of him. It was such a cool store.
Right here at the entrance, we stopped to get some ice cream. It's so good.
Here's a quick 360 of the entrance on the side closer to the Grand Place. On the other side, I'm going to show you just in a second. We came out the other end as well to check out that area. Okay, so we're right outside this Royal Theater, I guess is what it's called. And right across the street here. First of all, look how crazy busy it is over there. I don't know what's going on, but it's crazy over there. Anyway, right here across from it at this market, there's a metro stop and a bathroom, and it basically just saved our lives big time. You do have to pay to go to the bathroom, but it is very nice, and they give you a coupon to use back in that area. Right around the corner, we stopped for some real Belgian frites with ketchup.
So delicious.
What do you think? Ooh, windy.
The ketchup is sweet.
It is sweet?
Oh, man.
Okay, and we got these right here. It's next. It's across the street from Gallery of Saint Hubert. They were really good and the closest to American ketchup that we've tried so far. I wanted to give you a good isolated 360 video of this waffle before going into explaining it. It's from a company called 8 and 3 that we had never tried before, and we just found them on the street. We wanted to show kind of the color and the texture so you could really visually see what we're about to say here as we review this waffle. All right, this waffle place, the 8 and 3, what did you think, Dad?
It was good. It was really good.
What did you like or not like about it compared to the other ones we've had?
It wasn't fresh, so they did it twice. They reheated it, I think
Right.
is what you said. So,
Yes.
yeah, it was good. It just wasn't the best.
Yeah, so I prefer them being made fresh right into the waffle iron. This, when I walked in, they were already made, and he stuck it back into the waffle iron. One pro is that it makes it more crispy. The con is it's not as fresh, so it's a little more dry. But this companies are also not as sweet. So that would have been nice. What did you say you saw on some?
Where you put strawberries on the top. You can put a lot of different toppings on it.
Right, so with this company, with them being not as sweet, you could totally put, go for toppings. Normally we don't go for toppings because the waffle itself is sweet enough. If you're in Brussels and you want a waffle, you want to load it up and try all the toppings, try out this company because they're not as sweet as a lot of other ones that we've tried. Alright everyone, so that was a fun trip. We did the total touristy stuff and then also walked around wherever. There were some cool streets, and I'll just like link them, not link them, but I'll mention them down below in the description so you can see the cool streets to walk around on, because some are maybe not famous, but they're really cool to go walk around. One thing is, if you feel like you're comfortable driving downtown, there are parking garages, and honestly, they were not that expensive, like €3 or €2.50 an hour. That is not bad, and if you don't feel like walking a lot, that's a really good option. And I'll put one down below that we saw that was a really good location and a good price. We did really good walking around. We put in, I think, 2.6 miles in about 3 hours of just hanging out. So thank you so much for watching.
Like this video, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to never miss a new video. Yes! And bye! And keep your trophy safe!
Have a good one.